And then there's this thing I always say, that if you do not talk about your business, if you do not blow the horn of your business, nobody will do it for you. Nobody would do it for you, no matter how you pay marketers to do it. They don't know your business like you do. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Tare, and I have a growing business here in Ghana called Ladies and Scarves, where the core of my business is lovely scarves, and I sell other items there as well, but the core of it is scarves. And in today's video, I want to quickly run through on what I'm doing for my relaunch. Why I say relaunch is because the whole of last year, or the chunk of last year, I was taking orders manually. When I mean manually, I mean Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, some people even call. So I was taking them all manually. And then I did my annual year sale in October. It was so stressful, very, very stressful, taking hundreds of orders manually. I just have one assistant on the ground, so it was really stressful. And before that, I'm always someone that talks about moving your business fully e-commerce. And please, if you're hearing some noise at the background, please ignore. I think they're doing some work around the house, so yes, ignore any noise you hear. I'll try as much as I can to amplify my voice in the video. Okay, so yes, I'm putting some little bit of strategy in place. However, if you're launching your business for the first time, these strategies might not work for you totally, but you can also learn one or two things from the strategy I will be using to relaunch my business on the 14th of January 2025. So basically, my business is on a break. I'm not taking orders. I'm using this time to upload pictures on the website, do content, do a whole lot that I can do till the website goes live. So I have few type of scarves here. Some of them that I've already received, some more will be like, I just took I just took like one of each type. I'm not saying this is all the scarves I have in stock. Yeah, so I just want to run you guys through what the scarves looks like, their texture, and why I also pinpoint on the little strategy I'll be doing to make sure that I drive sales on my website. Because then again, in this part of the world, Ghana to be precise, Nigeria has picked up a lot on e-commerce website shopping, but here in Ghana we are picking up as well, but you have to do a lot of sensitization, especially if you already have existing markets, as existing customer base. You have to persuade them to let them know that, okay, it is better to shop from the website, or give them good reasons why they will shop from the website, why it is for their own benefit. And also, some people will also call you and be like, it's not just a small business, this is not the small ladies and scarves, I cannot shop on the website, so I want to send you a Momo. And you always have to stand your ground. I have done this before and then my website crashed, but now I believe the new people handling it, I mean the development of the website, I think they're better. And also I'm doing a lot of back-end uploads of products, which is serious work, because right now I've uploaded over, I think at this point, over 300 products, and a whole lot more to go. That's like maybe 40-50% of the product I want to upload on the website, so a whole lot more to go. Without further ado, let me get into the video. So yes, let me show you guys what this one looks like first. So this is what I call, or what we call, the neck scarf. So originally this is a neck scarf. You can use it to style as a female tie around your neck if you're a corporate girly. Yes, but also people use it to accessorize their bags. You see all those cute scarves on the bags. People use it to accessorize. So now the one key thing I'm doing to make sure that when I launch on the 14th of January, people accept me, that yes, I am fully transitioning to the website and no more manual orders, is I'm taking people along. So what do I mean by this? On my WhatsApp, on my Instagram story, I am there posting, I'm telling them why the website is the best option, and product uploads that is going on the website. So I'm keeping them abreast to what is going on behind the scene. rather than just keep quiet and just leave my business pages blank. Even on WhatsApp, when people make inquiry, because I've been getting a lot of calls and inquiries, people cannot wait for me to come back on the 14th, right? So whenever they call me, I also try as much as I can to let them know that, okay, see, this is new year, new me. I'm just joking. Like letting them know that something is going on behind the scene, and we're doing our very best to make sure that they get the best experience. So what do I mean in a nutshell is, do not just keep your business pages, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, whichever platform, TikTok you're using to sell. Don't just keep quiet and say, oh, because you're on a break, you're not going to do any activities. Don't keep quiet on that on those platforms. Make sure that you keep people up to date, you engage them and things like that. So the second scarf I'll show you guys is, and they come in opaque bags. Most of them come in opaque bags or Ziploc bags. Yeah, so this is 110 cm scarf. I cannot stand up for this video, but it's quite big. And yes, so this is a 110 cm silk scarf. The design is gorgeous as usual. I try as much as possible to, especially when I'm doing procurement, to pick lovely designs that are bold but at the same time classy. There's some designs that if I bring 1,000 of other designs, I might just bring one of that design. If I don't think I stock on any of those designs I'm talking about, but yeah. Okay, so it is very important that, like I was saying, that you keep people up to date. But for Tare of Ladies and Scarves, another thing that we are doing is content, and this content is highlighting why people should shop from the website. So now there's some products I have never brought before, some designs I have never brought before, so I also have to show them that there's something new on the website. Let's say wallet, new scarf design, discounts. They also have to know that there's something new on the website. So I made a post recently on my main social media platform, which is our Instagram page, telling people that new arrivals is coming on the 14th and people should stay tuned. And also website only, right? Letting people know that we have upgraded, or it is website only. You understand? The main reason I'm moving to the website is sometimes I get a lot of calls. Oh my god, people, I appreciate every single sale I make. I get calls and I don't like to turn off my business phone so that if I miss a call, I can always return a call and things like that. But sometimes people call at weird hours and I don't sleep with my phone anyways. But when I wake up in the morning, I'll be like, oh my goodness. And then sometimes people will call describing designs, and in my head, I'd be like, what I sell is visual. Like, you have to see what you want to buy, which is send a picture or send a screenshot of the item. You get, I have to go back and forth. That is when I'm doing the customer service myself, right? I have to go back and forth. We have to go back and forth, explaining. It can be time consuming and draining, especially now that I say I am giving ladies and scarves my all, my 100%, right? So I want to make sure that in as much as I am giving it my 100%, I am not drained and worn out. I don't want to be worn out because of a business. I want to still be active, be vibrant, and be happy doing the business. You understand me? I don't want to feel worn out. I don't want to feel like, oh, I'm slagging or I'm not happy. You know, when you overuse yourself, that is how you feel at the end of the day. So I don't want to feel that way. I want to feel pumped up and happy. So moving people to the website will reduce the amount of calls. Yes, it's not going to be a magic, but it will reduce the amount of calls. Another strategy I'm doing for the launch of the website. So this is another scarf. Before I go to the next strategy, so this is another scarf. It's a 90 cm scarf. The texture of the scarf is very lovely, and it's this texture is mostly found in the Hemis Twilly scarf, and it is called the Italian silk. So the Italian silk scarf is not shiny. It is not, I don't know how to explain it. Oh, this scarf is lovely though. So this is a 90 cm scarf. It's a big scarf when spread open, but this is folded into two. It's a very unique design as well. So you see why people always come to ladies and scarves. So this is also a very unique design, and it is called the 90 cm. So for this 90 cm, they have different texture that I have sold, but in this video I only have this texture to show you. So now some of this 90 cm is hand hemmed, and all hand hemmed scarves are way more expensive than the machine hemmed. And yes, this is Italian silk, but there's also a higher quality of the Italian silk. Those ones are requested by the customers that know the quality because it's more expensive. But when you look at it at the get-go, you'll be like, oh, but it's the same thing. No, it is not. That is more expensive. The feel is different. Also, although the feel of this is great as well, but that is even better. Yeah, so talking about another strategy for my relaunch on my website, I'm incentivizing my clients. Now, on the website, yet to upload this, but it will be going up, that if you shop above 420 cities, you get free shipping nationwide. If you're in Ghana, you get free shipping, right, between a particular time to a particular time. So this way, it will encourage my customers to buy on the website, because trust me, free delivery taken out of your order is a whole lot. It's a lot because it depends on where you are. If you're in Accra, there's some places in Accra that deliveries as high as 40 cities, right? And that is, you can even use that to buy something else on the website. So yeah, so I'm incentivizing my customers to let them know that when you shop on the website and you shop above this amount, you're getting free delivery for your order. This is going to also help me drive sales to the website. And another thing I have seen a lot of the Nigerian vendors do, which I think it's a great strategy. So what they do is, on their platform, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, they post the amount. So they do this. They say, if you want to buy on the website, let's say for example, you want to buy on the website, the price is 100 cities. If you want to buy on WhatsApp, price is 120 cities. If you want to buy on Instagram, price is 140 cities. People just get pissed and be like, why are these prices different? I did a little research and I understand that. You see the label, the time, the data they're using responding to each and every person, going to their DM, going to their WhatsApp. You don't spend that much data and time if the person just goes straight to the website. So I might add a little bit of that strategy, but I'll make it very subtle so it doesn't look like I am taking my customers for granted, which I would never want to do. Yeah, so I like that strategy as well, letting people know that on the website you get a discount. On the website you get some sort of an incentive when you shop on the website. So here's another scarf. This is a 70 cm scarf and it is a cotton texture, but not like polished. Let me open it. The last time I brought the scarves in December, I brought it in 90 cm, and the way it sold out, the way everybody wanted the cotton scarf in different design, different colors, it just sold out fast. So I brought them in different designs and colors this time around, but this is in a 70 cm. I love the texture. The texture of the scarf is, I don't know, you can feel it from your screen. It is beautiful, it is lovely, it makes a lot of sense. So yeah, another way I'm incentivizing my customer for the pre-launch is talking about on the 14th every day, like every day, posting content on my WhatsApp, posting content on Instagram, and also from tomorrow I'll be doing email marketing. You might ask, where did I get this people's email address from? So now people that have shopped on my website before, I think the first time I launched on my website was in 2021, right? So I've had people shop from that website. Even last year people shopped on the website. Now I have their email on the back end, so I will be sending them not too much, but a little bit of promotional emails to let them know that the website is back on, and it will be easier for those people to still shop again because they have spent their money on the website and then they got the items they wanted. So yes, I would be doing that for the website. Let me show you guys another scarf You see, 190 cm scarf is a bestseller. Here are ladies and scarf. All my items are almost bestseller. Well, 180 cm is actually a very gorgeous and very big scarf. I always advise, oh, the texture. This is lovely. This silk is lovely. So I always, when people come to me and ask me, oh, what scarf do you think I should buy? I give them reasons why they should buy a particular scarf and the function and all of that. So for this 180 cm scarf, I always advise people to, so it's 180 cm by 90, so it's very big. I don't want to start opening it up, but here I've done it. So this 100 and oh, the texture is lovely. So this size, I always advise people that if you have a dinner date, you want something over your shoulder, it's also great for a head scarf if you know how to tie like head wraps, but it's nice to go to the beach. It's just very beautiful. Yes, and there's some bold colors as well that people can use as a very long neck accessories when maybe it's raining season and you want to go to the office. Yeah, so that's how I recommend the scarves, and it's a bestseller here at Ladies and Scarves. So basically incentivizing people to shop on the website, talking about it every day. And then there's this thing I always say, that if you do not talk about your business, if you do not blow the horn of your business, nobody will do it for you. Nobody would do it for you, no matter how you pay marketers to do it. They don't know your business like you do. They don't know the value of your business like you do. What other way am I incentivizing people? I think there's one or two other ways, but let me keep it for the admin of Ladies and Scarves. I really do hope this video is helpful. But then again, if you're a new business, like I said, you can take one or two of this strategy. You can let people anticipate. You can let them know the time for the new arrivals. You can let them know that your business is solely on your website or Instagram or WhatsApp, whichever platform you want to use in selling. But in all of this, make sure that you talk about your business. Get people to share your flyer. I'm not saying, oh, you should start asking friends for favors. If they don't, it is fine. I saw a post recently about people talking about, oh, friends that don't patronize your business. Please, in 2025, let go of that mindset. I have never been one person that say, oh, my friend and family don't buy from me, because the things I've been selling right from day one, my friends and families don't need them. Imagine how many of my friends and family use a scarf. How many scarf would they buy, right? So get that mindset out of your mind. Stop it. Stop thinking your friend and family has to support you for you to grow. No. If they don't, get strangers to buy from you. Once you start selling to strangers, then you have conquered your business. You have done the hardest part of the job, right? So get strangers, run ads, put your flyers out there, and trust me, if you do the right work, or if you listen carefully, do your research, do the right thing you're supposed to do, you're going to get people to buy from you, and your business will move from a point A to a point B. Most importantly is your business is going to have progress. I really do hope this video helps someone today, and pray for me, Ladies and Scarves, because I'll be relaunching on the 14th of January 2025, and I have been resting, but at the same time I've been working. This morning I had to do some office rounds. I have to go to the bank. I have to do one or two things to make sure that Ladies and Scarf run smoothly. Thank you for watching to this very end. Thank you for the support on my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.